Have you ever felt a constant sense of worry that just won't go away? Like there's a cloud of anxiety following you everywhere? Today we are diving deep into generalized anxiety disorder or GAD and uncovering everything you need to know about it. Trust me, this video is going to be a game changer for anyone dealing with anxiety or wanting to understand it better. So stick around and let's conquer this together. What is generalized anxiety disorder? It is a mental health condition characterized by excessive, uncontrollable worry about various aspects of daily life. This worry is often disproportionate to the actual situation and can last for months and even years. Unlike occasional anxiety that everyone experiences, GAD is persistent and can interfere significantly with daily functioning. GAD typically persists for at least 6 months, but many people experience it for much longer. The symptoms include constant worry about various aspects of life, restlessness or feeling on edge, fatigue, difficulty concentrating, irritability, muscle tension, sleep disturbances such as difficulty falling or staying asleep. Now have a look on its causes. Understanding the root causes of GAD is crucial. They can be broadly categorized into biological, psychological, emotional, and cognitive factors. Biological factors, genetics can play a significant role. If you have a family history of anxiety disorders, you are more likely to experience GAD. Brain chemistry also influences anxiety, particularly imbalances in neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Your personality can impact your vulnerability to GAD. People who are more prone to perfectionism, high self-expectations, and a need for control are at higher risk. Post-traumas or significant life changes, such as the loss of a loved one, divorce, or chronic stress can trigger GAD. Negative thinking patterns such as always expecting the worst or overestimating the likelihood of disaster contribute to the development and maintenance of generalized anxiety disorder. According to World Health Organization, GAD affects about 3.6% of the global population. That's over 264 million people worldwide. Women are twice as likely to be affected as men, and it often starts in adolescence or early adulthood. Now understand it with real life examples. Emily is a 32-year-old teacher who has always been a bit of a warrior. Over the past year, her worries have spiraled out of control. She constantly fears that something bad will happen to her loved ones, even though there is no immediate danger. This persistent anxiety has made it hard for her to focus at work and enjoy her hobbies. Mark, a 45-year-old accountant, started experiencing severe anxiety after losing his job. Despite securing a new position, he couldn't shake off the fear of losing it again. His anxiety led to insomnia and constant muscle tension, affecting his performance at his new job. The good news is GAD is treatable. Here are some of the best approaches. Cognitive behavioral therapy. CBT is highly effective for GAD. It helps individuals identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to anxiety. Medication, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors and benzodiazepines are commonly prescribed to manage GAD symptoms. Always consult with a healthcare professional to find the best medication for you. Lifestyle changes, regular exercise, physical activity can significantly reduce anxiety. Healthy diet, eating a balanced diet helps stabilize your mood. Sleep hygiene, establish a regular sleep routine to improve sleep quality. Mindfulness and relaxation technique, practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help manage anxiety symptoms. Sports systems, connecting with friends, family, or sport groups can provide emotional relief and reduce feelings of isolation. If you or someone you know is struggling with GERD, remember that help is available. Implementing these treatment plans and coping strategies can make a significant difference. Don't forget to reach out to a mental health professional for personalized guidance. If you want to better understand other psychological disorders like depression and its types, paranoid personality disorder, psychotic depression, and even suicide prevention awareness, you can watch these insightful videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. Let's support each other on this journey to better mental health, and of course don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insightful videos. Take care and see you in the next one. Thank you so much.